Let's see here. We should go to Japan someday, but you know
we
I'm too
talked
poor
about
for
that in the last episode. That we're definitely going to go to Japan.
Yes, we did. Yes,
This
we
really
did.
short about us definitely going to Japan.
Yes, I'm glad you watched the shorts. Yes.
No, dude, I get notification. I'm subbed to our channel. Of course, there's a notification.
I'm happy about this. I'm very happy about this.
Dude, we're literally both
Oh,
subbed to the channel.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm always logged to my YouTube account. I never log
But
in.
I'm too poor to afford that right now.
I